Hello everyone, my name is Akerele Oluwashogo. I'm your Microsoft Excel trainer. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a feature called Quick Analysis in Microsoft Excel. How to use a feature called Quick Analysis in Excel. You can use the Quick Analysis features to run a basic analysis in Microsoft Excel. In this example, we have our sales data from quarter 1 to quarter 4. We also have our projected sales for each of the quarter. We have the actual sales, and we also have the expenses incurred in making the sales. Let's say I want to visualize this data quickly without going through my normal route of creating chart in Excel. I can use the quick analysis features to run the analysis. Let me show you how it's being done in Excel. All you need to do, the first step is to select all the data. When you select all the data, at the bottom right, you will see a button. Look at the button at the bottom right. It's called Quick Analysis. And the shortcut is pressing Ctrl Q. That is a shortcut. Click on the button, the Quick Analysis. Once you click on the button, you can see a lot of analysis that you can do with your data, which I'm going to take you through each of those analyses. If you want to format your data using conditional formatting, if I click on this formatting and I click on data bar, you can see how the data is being formatted based on the value I have on each of the cell. Let me undo the data. So let me go back to the button again. If I click on it, if I want to create a chart with this data, I'll click on chart. If I click on chart, you'll see different type of chart that we have in Excel, which you can use for your data. You can see cluster column bar. This cluster column chart. We have the line chart. You can see the preview. If you want to use your stack column, you can use this. We have our cluster bar chart. We also have our stack area chart. If you need more chart, you click on more chart. It will take you to all the charts you have in Excel. You can see Excel is recommending some chart which we can use for this analysis. If you click on all chart, it will take you to where you have all the charts in Excel. Let's say I want to use this cluster column for this data. I will click on OK. I have my cluster column chart for this data. You can see how the quick analysis I've created the cluster column chart. Let me undo again so that I'll go through the process so you can understand what I'm trying to explain. What I did was to select all the data, and I click on the quick analysis button at the right hand side, and I went to chart. So if I want this directly, I will click on it. You can see it will create the column chart for me. Let me undo and show you other things that you can do using the quick analysis features in Excel. So I click on the button again. So for example, let's say I want the total. Let's say I want the total sum of each of the quarter. You can also find the average. You can also find the percentage of the total. Let's say I want the total sum. When I click on this quick analysis, I will go to totals and I click on sum. Before clicking on sum, you can see it's already displaying that these are the sum for each of the quarter. If I want the average, you can see the average for each of the quarter. You can also see the count for each of the quarter. And you can see the percentage of each of the total for each of the count. So if I want sum now, I will click on sum. It will give me the sum of each of the total. If we double click on it, you can see the sum function is applicable here. So let me undo so that you can see other things we can do with our quick analysis features in Microsoft Excel. Like I told you, you select all the data, click on the button on the right hand side. So what else can we do? Let's go to tables. When you go to the tables, you can also use pivot table here directly. Under the table, you click on blank pivot table. It will create your pivot table for you. You can see if I want to see the report now, I will click on quarter 1. You see the sum. For quarter 2, you see for quarter 3 and for quarter 4, you can see the sum. I can drag back my value to row. I'll see the quarter, the sum of all the quarters. So with the quick analysis, you can also create your pivot table. Let me go back to my data. Let me go back to my data. So last thing we're going to learn how to do with using a quick analysis is to create a spark line. Something we call a spark line. It's like a small chart in Excel. which is also used for analysis. So I can click, I can pick this column spark line. You can see the spark line. It's moving, look at the direction. It's moving based on the value from 120. You can see the graph 105, 85, and 75. Look at for the actual. You can see the way the spark line is moving. So that's how to use quick analysis for basic analysis in Excel. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Akirele Oluwashogo, popularly known as Mr. Excel.